Magic Leap 2. Imagine stepping into a world where your ideas come to life right before your eyes. That's what the Magic Leap 2 can do. This advanced augmented reality headset isn't just for fun and games. It's a powerful tool for professionals and industries. With the Magic Leap 2, you can see and interact with 3D models and designs as if they were right in front of you. It's perfect for team projects, allowing everyone to view the same thing and make real-time changes. Whether you're designing the next skyscraper or collaborating on a complex machine part, the Magic Leap 2 makes it easier and more interactive. This is cutting-edge technology at your fingertips, transforming how we create and collaborate. Tesla Bot Optimus. Meet the Tesla Bot, also known as Optimus. This isn't just any robot. It's a humanoid designed to help out with all kinds of tasks, both at work and at home. Imagine having an extra pair of hands to assist with everything, from assembly line work to daily chores around the house. Optimus is designed to safely navigate and interact in human environments, making it incredibly versatile and revolutionary. It's like having a helper that can learn and adapt to a wide range of tasks. With Tesla Bot, businesses could become more efficient and homes could get a little more restful. This robot could truly change the way we live and work. Samsung Bot Handy. Imagine a robot that could tidy up your home, sort your mail, and even help with dinner. That's Samsung Bot Handy for you. This smart home robot uses advanced AI to recognize and handle objects with care. It can pick up laundry, stack dishes, and even pour you a glass of wine after a long day. Samsung Bot Handy is like having a helpful assistant always ready to make your day easier. Whether you're busy working from home or need an extra hand to keep things organized, Bot Handy steps in to help, transforming everyday chores into a breeze. This robot isn't just handy, it's a game changer for home management. DJI Mavic 3 Drone. Meet the DJI Mavic 3 drone, the latest marvel in drone technology. This high-end gadget is a dream come true for photography enthusiasts and adventurers alike. With its advanced image capture capabilities, you can shoot stunning, crystal-clear photos and videos from the sky. But that's not all. Thanks to its sophisticated obstacle avoidance system, flying the Mavic 3 is as smooth as silk, no matter where you explore. Plus, with extended flight time, you can soar through the skies longer, capturing every breathtaking moment without worry. Whether you're capturing a sunset or exploring rugged landscapes, the DJI Mavic 3 makes it easy and exciting. This drone's not just flying, it's about experiencing the world from new heights. Volocopter 2X. Imagine skipping over busy city traffic and soaring straight to your destination. That's the promise of the Volocopter 2X, a revolutionary air taxi that takes off and lands vertically, just like a helicopter. This crude vehicle is designed to whisk you away above the congestion, making urban travel faster and far more thrilling. The Volocopter 2X is all about efficiency and convenience, offering a new way to move around the city. Whether you're heading to a meeting or just want to beat the rush hour, this air taxi could transform your daily commute into an exciting sky ride. Say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to clear skies with the Volocopter 2X. Neato D10 Intelligent Robot Vacuum. Say hello to a cleaner home with the Neato D10 Intelligent Robot Vacuum. This isn't your average robot vacuum. Equipped with LiDAR technology, the Neato D10 navigates your home with incredible precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring every corner is spotless. You can control the smart vacuum right from your smartphone, scheduling cleanings or setting specific areas for it to focus on. Whether you're at work or just relaxing, the Neato D10 works quietly in the background, keeping your floors immaculate. With its powerful suction and advanced navigation, this robot vacuum takes the hassle out of cleaning, so you can enjoy more time doing what you love. Lumen Metabolism Tracker. Imagine having a personal metabolism coach that fits in the palm of your hand. That's the Lumen Metabolism Tracker. This innovative device measures your metabolism through a simple breath analysis, giving you real-time feedback on how your body uses energy. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your fitness, or just feel better, Lumen provides personalized guidance based on your metabolism. It helps you decide what to eat and when, tailoring your diet and exercise plans to your body's specific needs. With Lumen, understanding and optimizing your metabolism is as easy as breathing, literally. This tool empowers you to make smarter health choices, transforming your wellness journey. Loop Energy Saver. Meet the Loop Energy Saver, your new best friend for a smarter, more energy-efficient home. This revolutionary device keeps a close eye on your electricity usage, giving you real-time insights right at your fingertips. Ever wonder where all that power's going? The Loop Energy Saver shows you exactly which appliances are guzzling the most energy and even offers practical tips on how to cut down your consumption. It's like having a personal energy advisor helping you save money and protect the planet. By making small adjustments based on Loop's suggestions, you can see a big difference in your energy bills. Get ready to take control of your home's energy use and start saving like a pro with the Loop Energy Saver. Sony Spatial Reality Display. Step into the future of visual technology with the Sony Spatial Reality Display. This isn't just any display, it brings your images to life in full 3D, all without the need for special glasses. Thanks to cutting-edge eye-tracking technology, this display knows exactly where you're looking and adjusts the 3D effects instantly, creating a lifelike experience as if the objects are right there in front of you. Whether you're a designer visualizing new products, a gamer diving into virtual worlds, or just enjoying 3D content, the Sony Spatial Reality Display offers an unparalleled immersive experience. It's like peering through a window to another dimension right from your desk. NVIDIA Omniverse. Dive into the future of collaboration with NVIDIA Omniverse. This platform isn't just about creating virtual spaces. It's about bringing together creators, engineers, and designers in a shared metaverse where they can work together in real time. Whether you're building detailed architectural simulations, designing next-gen video games, or producing animated content, Omniverse offers a seamless environment for all. This powerful platform supports simultaneous projects across different software, making it a game-changer for creative and technical workflows. With NVIDIA Omniverse, you're not just working on cutting-edge projects, you're stepping into them, collaborating in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. Bosch Virtual Visor. Introducing the Bosch Virtual Visor, a breakthrough in automotive comfort and safety. Forget the old-school sun visors that block a big chunk of your view. The Bosch Virtual Visor uses smart technology with a transparent LCD and eye-tracking sensors to determine where the sun is hitting your eyes. It then darkens only the specific section of the visor needed to block out the glare, leaving the rest of your field of vision clear. This innovative approach not only enhances driver comfort, but also improves visibility, making driving safer under bright conditions. The Bosch Virtual Visor is a simple yet brilliant upgrade to any vehicle, ensuring that you stay focused on the road without the sun in your eyes. Gita Robot by Piaggio. Say goodbye to heavy bags and hello to Gita, the cargo-carrying robot by Piaggio. This clever little companion is designed to follow you wherever you go, carrying up to 40 pounds of your stuff with ease. Whether you're bringing home groceries, moving supplies across campus, or just don't want to lug your gear around, Gita is ready to help. It navigates crowded spaces smoothly, staying right by your side like a loyal friend. With Gita, you can enjoy your walk and manage your tasks without breaking a sweat. It's the perfect little helper for those on the go, making every trip easier and more enjoyable. Gita is not just a robot, it's your personal porter, ready to carry the load wherever life takes you. Intel Loihi 2 Neuromorphic Chip. Meet the Intel Loihi 2, a neuromorphic chip that's paving the way for the future of artificial intelligence. This advanced chip isn't just any processor. It's designed to mimic the human brain's way of functioning. What's this mean for you? Faster, more efficient computing that can handle complex tasks with ease. The Loihi 2 is especially good at learning and adapting on the fly, making it perfect for AI applications that require real-time decision-making, like autonomous vehicles and smart robotics. By processing information in ways similar to our own brains, the Loihi 2 chip can dramatically reduce the power and time needed for AI tasks, opening up new possibilities for smarter, more responsive technology in every part of our lives. Hyundai's Exoskeleton. Imagine wearing a suit that multiplies your strength and endurance. That's exactly what Hyundai's Exoskeleton offers. This wearable robot is designed to assist those who need it most, whether they're elderly individuals looking to regain mobility or workers engaged in physically demanding tasks. The exoskeleton fits comfortably around your body, providing support and strength that enhance your natural abilities. With this technology, lifting heavy objects becomes easier and endurance is significantly increased, reducing the risk of injury and fatigue. Hyundai's Exoskeleton is more than just a piece of tech. It's a tool that empowers people to do more, safely and efficiently, improving quality of life and productivity. Whether you're at work or at home, this exoskeleton has the potential to transform everyday activities into effortless tasks. Oura Ring Generation 3. Meet the Oura Ring Generation 3, your new wellness partner that fits right on your finger. This sleek, smart ring goes beyond traditional fitness trackers. It's designed to monitor your sleep, activity levels, and overall readiness, giving you a comprehensive view of your health with improved sensors and enhanced data accuracy. Whether you're looking to optimize your fitness routine or just want better nights of sleep, the Oura Ring provides personalized insights and suggestions tailored just for you. It's discreet, stylish, and powerful, making it easy to keep health monitoring literally at your fingertips all day and night. With the Oura Ring Generation 3, you're not just tracking your health, you're empowering yourself to make smarter lifestyle choices every day.